Okay, with word problems like this one, always start by drawing a diagram and labeling it. So we need to be able to visualize a box. We've got a box that's looking a bit like this. Here's our box. Here's our box. We're told what the volume of the box is, and then so it says somebody has to stand on it, so it needs to be 24 inches tall. So this is 24. We're trying to find the width, which is x. It says the length is twice as long as the width. That makes that one 2x. Hannah, can you put your phone away and stop typing? So how do we calculate the volume of this shape? Length times width times height. Length times width times height. So the volume equals length times width times height. So put the values in that we have. We know that the volume is 10,368. We know that the length is going to be 2x, the width is going to be x, and the height is going to be 24. So this tells us that 48x squared equals 10,368. So divide both sides by 48 and we get 10,368 divided by 48. We need a calculator for that. So 10,368. 10,368 divided by 48. 216. So x squared equals 216. This means x is equal to plus and minus the square root of that. So the square root of 216, 14.7. Okay, let me give out one key point that's going to lose you a mark if you're not following on this one. When we solve this, you have to get two answers, plus and minus. You always have to get two answers. But then, in some word problems, we throw one answer away. We have to reject an answer. Which of the answers do we need to reject? The negative. Length can't be negative, or width can't be negative. So this implies x equals 14.7 as width or length can't be negative. So with your problem solving questions, you always have to say what your variables are. So this diagram explains what x is. You always have to define what your variables are. You always have to interpret your answer. Make sure you find both solutions to the equation. Let me stop there.